Alright, so right here I'm at the staircase of the Mitsubishi. Right? Tricks. Right, here's one. Two, there's like, why is one of their panels off? Why is that panel off? I mean, I can't try that with the suction line, but I can literally shut that off. The disconnect is the perfect place to shut off. Stealing. There's a drain goes there. Alright, so oh yeah, here's an even clearer view of the ATI. Right here there's three more Mitsubishis. Both of them are running. You can actually kind of open that door up. You see them? Look good. Try the refrigeration line. Suction line. Yep, nice and kind of cold. Whatever. The suction line. But what the heck is that thing? Looks like a cursed siren. Above you. Great. ATI siren. That'd be a shame if I dropped my phone. Need to go back a bit, but here's that ATI. GPS is 16. Here's what's at the top. There's that weird EM explosion mark unit or EM or something. Right now there's Lennox. Oh yeah, there's a McHuey right there. Why does it sound like McHuey? I don't really think they're on. Yeah, there's like no other units around this location. Alright, that's all for the video. Bye.